everyone, ISC here. It's time to save yourself some headaches and a whole lot of cash by giving your home appliances the love they deserve. I'm breaking down 5 simple tips to keep your appliances running smoothly so you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and big repair bills. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, regular cleaning. I know, it sounds basic, but trust me, it's a game changer. Dust and grime can build up in places you'd never expect, like refrigerator coils, dryer vents, and dishwasher filters. Clean your fridge coils every 6 months, wipe out your microwave weekly, and always clear lint from your dryer vent after each load. Not only will your appliances work better, but you'll also cut down on energy bills and even reduce the risk of fire. Tip 2, check and replace filters. Many appliances, think fridges, dishwashers, and range hoods, use filters that need some TLC. Swap out your refrigerator water filter every 6 months, clean dishwasher filters monthly, and check your HVAC filters regularly. Clean filters mean cleaner air, fresher water, and a happier home. Tip 3, inspect seals and gaskets. These little rubber guys on your fridge, oven, or dishwasher doors work hard at keeping the hot or cold air where it's supposed to be. If you spot cracks, or if the seal feels loose, it's time to clean or replace it. I use mild soap and water to wipe them down. It keeps them tight and efficient and stops energy from slipping away. Tip 4, don't overload your machines. I get it, we all want to get laundry done fast, but stuffing your washer or dishwasher is a shortcut to trouble. Overloading strains the motor and just doesn't get things as clean. I always check the manual for load sizes and try to balance things out. It really does help everything last longer. And finally, tip 5, schedule professional maintenance. A yearly checkup goes a long way. Technicians can spot little issues before they become disasters, like worn parts or hidden leaks. And if you've got newer appliances with smart diagnostics, use those alerts. They'll tell you when it's time for a checkup or a filter swap. Here's the thing, a little routine care can extend your appliance's life, save you up to 30% on repairs, and cut down on energy use. Plus, you're helping the planet by keeping appliances out of the landfill longer. And hey, fewer surprise breakdowns means less stress for you. So give your appliances a quick checkup this week. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. For more practical tips, hit that subscribe button. Keep your home running smoothly, and I'll see you next time, ISC Okinawa.